Have you ever wondered what would happen if your WhatsApp was hacked today? Your personal photos, private family chats, and all your banking details and contacts would be in the hands of hackers. In 2026, hackers don't even need your phone to hack you. Just one small mistake is enough. Assalamualaikum. I am your host, and you are watching Lodhi Insights. Today's video might be a bit long, but these 10 minutes can save your entire digital life from being destroyed. Today, we won't just learn settings. We will expose the latest methods hackers are using. Imagine your most personal conversations, your bank account details, and photos of your family all exposed to the world. It's a scary thought, right? But the reality is, with new hacking techniques emerging every day, this threat is more real than ever. The good news is, protecting yourself is easier than you think. In this ultimate guide, we go in to walk through every single step you need to take to make your WhatsApp account virtually unhackable. We'll cover everything from the psychological tricks hackers use to the latest security features you probably don't even know exist. So grab your phone, follow along with me, and let's secure your digital life together. Trust me, the peace of mind you'll have at the end of this video will be priceless. Let's get started. First, let's understand how a hack actually happens. It's often not about complex software or viruses. Instead, hackers use something called social engineering. It's a fancy term for manipulating you. Here is a classic example. You get a call from someone claiming to be from the WhatsApp head office. They sound very professional and urgent. They'll say something like, "Sir, your account needs an important security update, and to verify your identity, we have just sent a 6-digit code to your number. Please share that code with us immediately to secure your account." The moment you share that code, it's game over. Your WhatsApp is instantly logged into their computer, and you're logged out of your own phone. They now have complete control. Remember this golden rule. WhatsApp, or any legitimate company for that matter, will never call you and ask for a verification code or a password. This is a huge red flag. They play on your fear and urgency to trick you into making a mistake. Another common trick is a message from a friend whose account has been hacked, asking you to click a link or send them a code. Always be suspicious. The key to defeating social engineering is to stay calm, think critically, and never, ever share sensitive information like OTPs or PINs with anyone, no matter who they claim to be. Let's get practical now and build your first line of defense. This is the single most important setting you need to enable. Open your WhatsApp right now and follow along. Go to Settings, then tap on Account. Here you will see an option called Two-Step Verification. Tap on it and then tap Enable. It will ask you to create a 6-digit PIN. This is your secret key. Please do not use something simple like 123,456 or your date of birth. Choose a random number that only you would know. After you set the PIN, WhatsApp will ask you to add your email address. Don't skip this step. This email is your safety net. If you ever forget your PIN, you can use your email to reset it and get back into your account. So, what's the magic of two-step verification? Even if a hacker manages to get your SIM card or tricks you into giving them your verification code, they still can't log into your account on a new device. Why? Because WhatsApp will ask for this secret 6-digit PIN that only you know. This one simple setting acts as an ultimate shield, adding a powerful layer of security that stops most hacking attempts dead in their tracks. It takes less than a minute to set up and can save you from a lifetime of regret. So, pause the video if you need to and enable it right now. Now, let's talk about privacy and go into what I call ghost mode. Your privacy settings are just as important as your security settings. Go back to your WhatsApp settings and this time, tap on Privacy. Scroll down until you see an option called Calls. Tap on it, and you will find a toggle for Silence Unknown Callers. Turn this on. We've all been getting those annoying and dangerous spam calls from weird international numbers, right? Hackers use these calls to gather information or try to trick you. By silencing unknown callers, your phone won't ring for numbers that are not in your contacts. They'll still show up in your call list, so you can check if it was someone important. but it stops the immediate disturbance and potential scam. Now, go back one step and find the advanced section within your privacy settings. In there, you'll see a new and crucial feature for 2026. Protect IP address and calls. Make sure this is turned on. When you make a call on WhatsApp, your IP address, which can reveal your general location, is sometimes exposed. By enabling this feature, WhatsApp will route your calls through its servers, effectively hiding your real IP address from the person you are calling. This is a massive privacy boost, making it much harder for anyone to track your location or gather data about you through calls. Many of us use WhatsApp Web to chat on our laptops, and it's super convenient, but it can also be a major security risk if you're not careful. Think about it. Have you ever logged into your WhatsApp on a friend's computer or a public computer in an office and then forgot to log out? If you did, someone could be reading all your chats in real time and you wouldn't even know it. Let's check this right now. In your WhatsApp, go to the main screen and tap the three dots or the settings icon, then select Linked Devices. This screen will show you every single device, every browser, every computer that is currently connected to your WhatsApp account. Look at this list very carefully. Do you recognize every single one of them? It will show you the type of device, like Windows or Mac, and the last time it was active. If you see any device that you don't recognize, or one that says it was active from a location you haven't been to, you need to act immediately. Tap on that device, and then tap Log Out. It's that simple. Hackers often use this method to silently monitor your conversations for weeks or even months. Make it a habit to check your linked devices regularly, maybe once a week. It is a quick check that ensures no one is spying on your private life behind your back. Now, let's talk about the most advanced security feature WhatsApp has introduced, which is becoming standard in 2026. Passkeys. This is the future of account security. To set this up, go to your WhatsApp settings, then Account, and you'll find the Passkeys option. What is a pass? Instead of relying on a password or a PIN that can be stolen, a passkey uses the biometric security already built into your phone, your fingerprint, or your Face ID. When you create a passkey for WhatsApp, you are essentially creating a unique, unbreakable digital key that is stored securely on your device. Once this is turned on, if you or anyone else tries to log into your WhatsApp account on a new phone, it will be impossible without your physical verification. They would literally need your thumbprint or your face to be scanned. This completely eliminates the risk of someone logging in with just a stolen code or PIN. This is currently the most secure method in the world for protecting your online accounts, making it virtually impossible for hackers to take over your WhatsApp. It's a game changer for digital security. So if you see this option on your phone, enable it without a second thought. Friends, in this fast-paced digital world, being aware and staying alert is your best protection. Technology will keep evolving, and so will the threats. But by taking these simple yet powerful steps, you have made your digital life significantly safer. We've covered everything from recognizing hacker tricks to enabling the most advanced security settings like two-step verification and passkeys. If you found this video helpful, and I truly hope you did, please do me a small favor. Share it in your family WhatsApp groups, with your friends, and with anyone you care about. A single share could save someone from a major disaster. And of course, make sure you subscribe to Lodhi Insights and hit that notification bell so you never miss these important, life-saving updates. Our goal here is to empower you with knowledge. Stay safe, stay secure, and take care of your digital self. I will see you in the next video. Aja Afis.